Welcome, today in front of me REALME C35, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So we'll use the Movies Edge application here because unfortunately we have now installed by default the AoD feature on our device. And now just here select one from this available for just stamps. For example, I'll go with this one, then just click here to apply. Here we can set and change the backgrounds, the different ones, as can you see. Also here we can activate or turn off the music controls. We can hide them after 30 seconds, 10 seconds, or just don't hide them if you want. Here also we can activate the incoming notifications by just click here on the switcher. By the same way we can turn on and turn off to show the date and to show the battery status always while device charging, or just to don't show them here. And also we can go here into the settings application, click on the always on display switcher, and just to change the time to show the AoD always while device charging, or also when we'll play the music we'll stay with it always. Here we can also change the screen timeout from 1 second just to never. Also we can increase the brightness level here to 100 or to decrease it to the 30%. For example, we'll go with a 100%, and to close by double tap or by single tap on the AoD on the our device lock screen. And also if you just will set up the fingerprint sensor, you can use it just to turn off the always on display feature on your device. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our REALME C35. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.